Hi, for UPSC ESIC Deputy Director exam, we are analyzing every keyword of the syllabus, and today we will analyze the topic of financial management. So this is the 8th class, this is the 8th session on analysis of the syllabus. So objective of this class is to find out what is the boundary within which we have to study, what do we mean by financial management, what are different topics which are to be covered, and what we can exclude, what we can include. So this is the objective of this short class. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, who we are? So I am from Human Peritus. So what is Human Peritus? So incidentally, we are uniquely positioned to assist you for UPSC ESIC exam. ऐसा क्यों हम आपको ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because on the one hand, we have been guiding you for different UPSC recruitment exams like ALC, EPFO, APFC, Administrative Officer, in DRDO, GSI, and so on. On the other hand, we are known market leaders for management and commerce subject, which we have been doing since year 2011. So because of this unique synergy, we think that we'll be able to add some value to your preparation of UPSC ESIC. And so UPSC ESIC exam, so which I think will have 120 questions and around 300 marks. Part A, Part B. Part A will be English, which will have 20 questions. Sometime it can also be 15. Remaining will be Part B. Exam date. So our best guess is that this exam cannot happen before Feb or March of 2022. Although to be realistic, it can also get extended to summers of next year around May, June, July. But our best guess is it is very unlikely that this exam will happen anytime before Feb or March of next year. Why we are saying so? What is the data to substantiate this claim? You can go to Human Peritus website, go on the ESIC Deputy Director page. On that page, in the bottom, there are FAQs. In those FAQs, we have explained why we are claiming you that this exam is unlikely to be held before Feb or March of next year. Of course, you anyway know seats, eligibility, how to fill the form, salary, etc. Still, if you have any doubts, you can connect with our team. How you can connect? The link is given in the description below. Through that link, by clicking on that link, it will immediately connect you to our team live through the WhatsApp, and you can ask anything or discuss anything. And what we are doing for ESIC Deputy Director program. So this is a 4-step plan. Step number 1 is that we'll teach you in live classes for 4 months. Step number 2 is we'll send you printed booklets at your home through which you will cover the syllabus. Go to the website to look at the sample, how these booklets look like. Step number 3 will make you go through an online question bank of around 10,000 questions, which will also include every previous year question, not only recruitment, but other exams also like NDA, CDS, and so on. Finally, you'll go through mock test papers, which will be like real UPSC RT exams, computer based. And if you go through these 4 steps, you are ready for UPSC ESIC. So with this plan of 4 steps, you do not need any other book. You also need not refer previous year papers, nothing else. In fact, everything is covered, including current affairs. Current affairs are also included in our course. You need not look at newspaper or anything else now. And this 4-step plan has worked very well earlier as well. For example, in UPSC ALC exam, which happened in 2017, more than 90% paper was from our course, what we taught you. This UPSC EPFO, which happened few days back, even in that paper also majority of paper was from our course only. In very few days, we are also going to publish this analysis on the website, that exactly how many questions came from our course, which question came, which question did not come, and so on. So, and because it has worked well, we are pretty confident that this 4-step plan will work for ESIC Deputy Director exam as well. Still, if you any queries, anything you want to discuss or you want to understand more on this program, go to our website. You can also speak to us over phone, or you can also email us. I also have told you that you can connect with us through WhatsApp. The link is given in the description below. Of course, this link will work only if you are watching this video through a mobile phone. If you are watching on a desktop, then of course you can go to the website, click on contact us, and you can connect with us. Okay, great. Let's get started to the real stuff now. The real objective of this class is that what we should be studying under topic of financial management. What we should be studying under topic. So guys, first thing is that at least in last 7-8 years, UPSC has not conducted any recruitment exam in which financial management was part of the syllabus. UPSC has done some exams in which accounting was, yes, it was part of the syllabus, but FM has never been part of the any exam, any recruitment exam, let me be precise. At least in last 7-8 years, we have analyzed around 20 papers and no exam had this syllabus. So, but then again, we need to decide a boundary that how we should be preparing. So, because we have been doing, we have been teaching financial management for last around 10 years now in multiple exams like UGC, different PSUs, banks, RBI, and so on. So, we have fairly good understanding that generally what should be included in this topic. And let me make you go through those topics. Okay, so guys, financial management, you will start with objectives of a financial manager, what is included in FM. Then you will understand time value of money, then sources of finance, valuation of bonds and stocks, then capital structure theories. You will study NI approach. I mean, you can note down these words later. I'll be slightly faster. NI approach, MM approach, traditional approach, pecking order theory. Go through them in capital structure theories. Then cost of capital, cost of debt, cost of preference capital, cost of equity. Then you will study WACC, of course, CAPM, capital asset pricing model. Then you will come to topic of risk and return, different type of risk, systematic risk, unsystematic risk. Again, you will look at CAPM here, portfolio management, very important. You will also understand how do we manage risk in a portfolio, modern portfolio theory, then leverage. In leverage, again, you have operating leverage, financial leverage, combined leverage. You will also study EPIT, EPS analysis. Then you have to study break-even point. Next topic, dividend decisions. Again, there are different theories, relevance theories, irrelevance theories of dividend. Go through them. Capital budgeting, very important topic. And you'll go through different topics like NPV, different methods, NPV, IRR, profitability index, MIRR, payback period, and so on. So we can divide them into two categories, which are conventional and non-conventional, based on whether you are considering time value of money or not. Then working capital management, merger and acquisition, of course, you have to study. Then guys, you also need to study IFM. Again, foreign exchange market, foreign exchange risk, then transfer pricing. Go through these concepts as well. Then there is another topic which we haven't written here, which is derivative. So just do, I mean, overall basics of derivatives, 3-4 types of derivatives, what is a swap and so on. You don't have to go deeper into them. So this will be your combined syllabus of financial management. Go through, I have given you broad high level keyword. Of course, once you will open your books or whatever, you have to see where you have to stop and what you have to do. The focus should be on theoretical concepts only. It is very unlikely that they will ask you numerical, unless it's a very like one-liner based, putting value in WACC formula or Gordon formula and so on. Otherwise, just focus on different keywords, After all, you are going to write an objective exam, not subjective. You don't have to write the answers. So focus on the keywords. If you are enrolled with us, then you don't have to worry about everything, because we give our own printed booklets. You have to go through them only. Do not touch anything else. Also, we also give you around, I think, 600-700 questions of FM, and they will be more than sufficient. Every question is with the detailed explanation. You don't have to touch anything else. And this will be all, guys, for FM. If you want to understand what we are doing for ESIC Deputy Director exam, so go to our website, look at this plan. Very important thing, if you disagree with anything, if you want to discuss anything, feel free, write in the comment below. We'll reply to every comment. We will not delete the comment, it's my promise, as long as you are not writing any nonsense. And you can also connect with our team through WhatsApp. The link is given below in the description. Thank you so much.